I bought the Eken H9R action camera and have used it for a few weeks now. I've been really happy with it. Here's some sample footage. You can see I've been doing some underwater rugby and some biking with it, having the camera mounted on the helmet. The camera looks pretty much like a GoPro camera. You have the basic power button on the front, and on the top you have the shutter button. You can start recording video with it. With the power button, it also works as a mode change button. Here you can see the settings. You can look at the photo resolution and change that. I haven't really used it for photos, but I have used it mainly for video. It says on the front it's a 4K camera, but I think it really can't do true 4K. I've been only recording in 1080p with it, and in my opinion it performs really well. So recording in 1080p with 30 frames per second. I haven't really tried out the other settings, mainly just recording video. It seems that the battery lasts very nicely for maybe 1.5 hours, up to 2 hours. So that means that you really need to remember to charge it each time before. The camera has a micro USB port for charging and a small HDMI port for connecting to a TV. It also has a micro SD card slot. I have been using a 32 GB SD card on it. It lasts fine for the amount of video I have been recording in one go, like up to 1.5 hours. Having the camera mounted on the helmet, the footage gets quite bouncy and unstable. Also, if you're going through rough terrain, you will end up with a bouncy video, which is not so enjoyable to watch. Here I'm biking through a path in the forest. I bought the camera for recording holiday videos when going snorkeling and stuff like that, but I really enjoyed recording underwater rugby videos and noticed that the quality of the footage is really good for this purpose. The camera comes with an underwater casing which works really well, and it has also a ton of equipment for mounting on helmets and handlebars on the bike and stuff like that. I think in conclusion it's a really good budget camera, so if you want to get your first action camera, I think this is really a good option for that. For recent pricing of the camera, check the links in the description. I'd like to hear about your experience with the Eken H9R, so please comment below, or if you think there's a better budget camera option, I'd like to hear about that as well in the comments. Thank you and bye.